Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So don't worry, you have to follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, right click on the start icon and click on settings. Once we are here, we need to click on these three lines and just go to privacy and security. Now click on general tab, and once we are here we need to disable all these four options. If you see enable, then just disable this. Once done, close the window. Now simply go to search bar and type here sysdm.cpl and click here to open it. When on this window, click on advanced tab, and from the performance section click on settings. And as you can see on my window, you have to set all these things on your computer. Once done, click on OK and close the window. Now you can go to control panel, click on uninstall a program, and you can just uninstall the unwanted applications those are running on your system but you are not using them. Simply select them, right click on them and click on uninstall. Once done, just restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.